Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the FX-991EX and confirming the display and battery are good. Once done, set the display to line so results read naturally. This helps when entering logarithms. Make sure to clear memory to prevent old variables from altering results. Press Shift, 9, then 3 to clear all. Now you're ready to work with logs without interference. This avoids surprises when evaluating expressions or using scientific notation later. You'll enter logs using the dedicated keys. Press LOG, type the number, close parentheses, and hit equals for base 10 because the calculator treats LOG as log 10. For natural logs, press LN and follow the same pattern since LN is base E. For arbitrary bases, use the change of base formula. Enter LOG, argument divided by LOG, base, then equals. This works because both numerator and denominator use the same LOG function. You finish by applying properties. Convert products to sums and powers to factors before typing, which reduces keystrokes and rounding error. When solving for a variable, remember the FX-991EX is numeric. Rearrange algebraically first, then evaluate numerically. If you get an error, check for common issues: unmatched parentheses, taking log of a negative or 0, or being in the wrong angle or display mode. Make those fixes and repeat the calculation. That will resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.